Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna explain how Loots works. So what is Loots? Loots is a website where people can advertise on, and you as a streamer can have those advertisements on your stream and you will earn some money from it. Okay guys, this is Loots.com. You can sign up here, make a username, password, and tell them that you're not a robot. So when you logged in, you will see this screen. Sorry I blocked my revenue because I don't really want that to be open, and neither does Loots, so it will say that you need an invite code right here. This is the invite code. I will leave it in the description as well, so you can use mine and you will be accepted to the program by that. Okay, so first thing you want to worry about is getting the overlay in OBS, right? So you go to the live tab and go to overlays. Okay, so what you see here, you see three different kind of overlays. This is the normal one I'm using. You will see that the advertisement will pop up in the right. Well, you can also like change it to another position right here. I have it in the top right, so there it is for me. Then you have this one that fills way more of the screen. You can set it on the left as well. And well, the third one can also be set on the left. These make more money. They're in beta though. Is it worth? I don't know. It depends on how much commercials you want on your stream. I like just a small one, I think, for now at least. So you can enable them or disable them right here. Make sure you don't block your camera with it. So if you're sitting here like this guy is, don't do it bottom left. You can select here that you're playing with OBS Studio. You will get a link underneath here. You don't see it right now, but you copy that link, and then we go into OBS. Okay, so this is OBS, and what you do is click on the plus here, go to browser, name it whatever you want. Loots is probably a proper name. Paste URL here, make it 1920 times 1080, and you're good to go. If you click on OK, you want it to be the top layer, be sure of that, because otherwise your webcam might be in front of it or something. And then it will just pop up. There it is. The little commercial. So this is how you get it in the top right. So we're going back to the website, click on the dashboard, and you will see the performance here. You can see what performance you have. I've got BB, which is the most common one. To see all performances, click on performance index. You will see this stats here. If you have a better rating, so if you have AAA, you've got the best rating and you will earn more money than let's say somebody with A or CCC or D. D is something here where you don't want to be because you get less money for your advertisements. So try and get this up to AAA. It's pretty hard though. I'm stuck at BB. I started at B though, so I got up a bit. You can increase this rating by your viewer counts. If you have more viewers, it goes up. Your viewer engagement, which is chatting in the chat, of course. Audio and video quality. If you have a 1080 stream with 60 FPS with a lot of bitrate, you have a better video quality, of course. Also with the audio, and if you have more streams, if you have longer and more streams, it's gonna be better. If you were more active over the last 30 days, it's better for you as well. So if more people used Loots in the last 30 days, you're gonna get a better rating. So make sure that your audience is aware of this system. One thing that I want to recommend to get more Loots is !Loots in your title, which a lot of people know Loots. And if they see that, they know that they can actually activate it on your stream as well. So yeah, reports is just some stats about how much you have earned. You will see how many Loots there were and how much you got for those. Account will actually say your address and stuff like that. So I'm definitely not showing that. But you also have the live tab. And what you can do here is very important to know. There's something called status here. What you can do here is you can make the volume of the Loots go louder or less loud, and you can pause the Loots. So if you don't want any Loots to come in today, you can set it on pause, What you can also do is if there are a lot of loots queued up, or you have paused it and they're queued up and you never look back at it, you can drain them, so the list will be wiped. Basically, it will just run those advertisements really quickly after each other. Another thing to be aware of is under the live section here, there's something called condensed view. If you click on that, you will get a tiny thing that actually shows you which incoming loots there are and which loots are currently displaying on stream, so you can read it already when the advertisement is still in the screen. These are waiting, and these are completed. You see lots of loots being completed. Also, the loots itself sometimes send you loots, which is really nice, because, well, you get money for that. And underneath you see the paid and unpaid and performers, how much money you will get from them. So that's pretty cool. You will also see which ones are waiting and incoming and complete underneath here, obviously. So that's it for loots. I think we covered everything. If you have more questions about loots, leave a reaction in the comments. Also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe on my YouTube channel, because we're gonna do a lot more of tutorial videos. And be sure to check out my socials that are in the description. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!